Confidence is being in the state that makes you feel that you can achieve what you want in life, that you have the capabilities, the will, and the way to live your life according to your own values and beliefs without stopping to think what others will say or about you. It is the state that makes you a leader of your own self and that a follower to others. When you will acknowledge your own success and will not stop in comparing yourself to others. Confidence does not mean that you think of yourself as more valuable than others or better than others or even higher than others. People who think that way actually very low of themselves. They feel weak and shaky from inside and just to cover that fact by putting on their high ego mask.